This episode is for all you singers. If you are a singer, at some point you'll learn to sing Italian art songs. And why do we do this? It's because it teaches great singing technique. And you can take that amazing technique and you can put it into any kind of music that you want. Pop, rock, hip hop, opera, any of that. When you learn Italian art songs, it teaches you how to sing really well. You can't cheat when you sing Italian art songs. So I'm teaching you today perhaps the most famous of the Italian art songs, called Caro Mio Ben. We love this song because it's very simple and easy, at least in terms of the words, and also the range is not massive, and so people of all ages can sing this song. So let's get to it. All right, I'm pulling up a version that's online, Caro Mio Ben, low key, C major. The accompaniment is Giordani. I'm setting it at the playback speed of 1 1/4. I like it a little bit more brisk than other people do. Okay, I'm not saying I'm right and they're wrong. For me, it just feels easier to sing. So I'm bumping at that play speed 1 1/4. In the video here, I'm going to sing it for you one time here at the beginning. And then we're going to go over the pronunciation of the words. And then I'm going to go through the song phrase by phrase. Okay, here we go. Caro mio ben, credimi amen, senza di te languisce il cor. Caro mio ben, senza di te languisce il cor. Il tuo fedel sospiro ognor, senza crudel tanto rigor, senza crudel tanto rigor, tanto rigor. Caro mio ben, credimi amen, senza di te languisce il cor. Caro mio ben, credimi amen, senza di te languisce il cor. Okay, welcome back. So now we're going to learn the pronunciation. And I think one of the reasons this song's been so popular is that there is so few Italian words. It has just a few phrases and we can repeat those words over and over again. All right, so it starts with Caro Mio Ben, and then credi al men. So let me just say it and then you repeat it back. Caro Mio Ben, your turn. Credimi al men. Senza di te. Now, the Z here is like a pizza, senza, there's a little TZ almost, or TS here. Senza di te, your turn. And languisce il cor, il cor, okay? Let's work on this phrase a little bit. Say il cor, il cor. Okay, and now the whole phrase. Languisce il cor. Your turn. Okay, the other words, il tuo fedel. And make sure this is not the L. Make sure you're not doing the English L, but it's that E sound. Il tuo fedele. Sospira ognor. And this sound, the ognor, oh, you can't see what, let's make sure we got those words. Let's go back a little bit. Il tuo fedele and sospira ognor. Ognor likes onions, okay? And ognor. Cessa crudel tanto rigor. Tanto rigor, okay? My heart languishes when you're away. I miss you when you're not here with me. And you are so cruel. Your spirit is sospira ognor, or spirit smells. You're so cruel when you leave me alone when you're away, when you're far away. You know, how dare you? So it's in the modern terms, say, baby, I miss you when you're gone, something like that. You hurt me when you leave me alone. Once you've done the words, then you can learn the music phrase by phrase. Okay. I actually just tried to record it phrase by phrase for you and have you repeat it phrase by phrase. It was very, very difficult to do that. I don't maybe have the technology, that's correct. But I think honestly, perhaps what you should do is just rewind to the front of the video. And then what you can do on these, including my video, when this is finished here, you can go to the playback speed. And what you can do is slow it down. Typically it starts at normal speed. You know, you go to YouTube and normal speed and you click on the little icon there, and even if you're on the iPhone or your phone, you can slow down and speed up YouTube. Okay, so normal, you can slow it down 3/4 speed, or even if you want half speed. Okay, so if you need to slow it down, please do so, and then phrase by phrase learn the song. Okay, this is a wonderful piece that you can sing for the rest of your life. You can use it in auditions in your future, let's put it this way, your future musical self can use Caro Mio Ben as an audition song for things that you're doing, and it will prove valuable for you. Okay, thanks everyone. Thanks for joining me. I hope this gets you going on singing maybe some classical music. Classical music is a wonderful tool for learning how to sing. And once you have those skills, you can take them into any style of music that you want to sing. Have a great day. We'll see you next time on Music with Mr. Wright.